Arena in San Juan, totally enjoying the action here. They're getting their money's worth as the top two teams collide for the final time in the eliminations. That's La Salle at number 1 and UST at number 2. Both teams with a twice-to-beat advantage as the top two in the final four. And it continues pretty much the way it ended before the timeout with La Salle, another excellent block to score a point.
What UST needs right now is just, one good attack to shift the momentum on their side. But they would have a hard time doing that if they don't get a good reception.
Things are downhill for UST. After La Salle mounted a 6-point run.
Micah, okay lang ba sa running ka or gusto mo sa harap? Medyo awkward sa ano siya. Oo, sa harap na lang. Okay? Hirapan siya. Awkward siya dito sa ano. Daga ba? Daga oh.
Dikit lang, dikit
habol tayo, habol lang.
Dikit sa score.
Daga ba? Daga lang yan.
Receive mo na, receive. Tulungin na. Usap din kayo, ilang natin na.
18-10, 8-point lead for La Salle. And is UST feeling the ill effects of that change in the rotation in the lineup, the shift in manpower?
Could be so, because in the first set, kita natin, they managed to keep it close. In fact, La Salle didn't have a chance to get a lead as big as this. So, posible yun na medyo nangangapa sila.
UST have got to thank their lucky stars because Esperanza just netted a serve. She's been serving the last 5 points, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see if UST can start a run here. They're down by 7. Cha Cruz, good block. Espiritu and Maizo. But no mincing the shots on the second attempt for Cha Cruz. Again, finding that opening sa gitna ng depensa ng UST.
And the attacks of Cha Cruz, talagang yung reach is right on top of the ball. That's why you see the angle of her spike. Talagang tusok.
Baon na baon.
Baon na baon.
UST still unable to cope with the changes and adjustments.
Clearly out for Alarca.
And again, UST getting the breaks that they need. But so far, they can't seem to capitalize on these advantages na binibigay ng La Salle.
But this time, they are with a better rotation, actually. They have Maizo in the front line.
Again, these points of UST coming from errors of La Salle, over-received by Maraña that time. And a quick dump by Panatigla. 3-0 run for UST as Gohing. Another unforced error for La Salle. Coach Romil De Jesus wants to talk things over. Let's check in with them.
Kaya nasa atin na yung momentum eh. Sa atin na momentum, hindi natin dapat pinuputol yan. Ganyan. Kasi po na ng tama. Okay? Baka unang serve, yun sabi ko, unang serve, nagaling sa timeout, unang sa kita, target lang muna. Kung hindi naman natatapos sa 19 yan eh. Akala nyo ba na natatapos sa 19? O hindi pa natatapos yan. Hindi pa masasabing panalo na kayo itong set na to. Diba? Trabawin mo na.
It is pretty obvious na si Coach Romil De Jesus watched that UST game against FEU when UST bounced back after losing 2 sets and humabol sila. And now, ito, humahabol na naman ng Uste. 4-0 run after being down by as much as 8. Free ball para sa
Look at the
UST
errors from La Salle.
Yeah, very uncanny errors para sa number 1 seeded Lady Spikers.
But of course, ito dapat UST should take advantage of this.
So far they are. And again, another poor reception from Gohing. Free ball again. UST, let's see if they can finish this off.
Net violation. Look at all the errors.
Errors, puntos ng UST. If I'm not mistaken, and yung 5 points out of the 6 are errors.
That's right. And another timeout is called.
keep going, good receive lang, isa lang. Kaya mo yan. Pagbilang, pagkatapos, tapat sa bola. Hindi pwedeng nakalampas na sana sa net yung bola. Tsaka natin nakahabulin. Sa good receive. Okay, ang lakas ng striker sa harap. Diba? So yun lang. Okay.
Ramil De Jesus clearly gusto niya ng good receive because malalakas yung spikers niya sa harap. You've got Gumabaw, Maranyo right there. And di magamit ng Lasal because they can't receive properly.
And I guess for Coach, what's frustrating for Coach Ramil is si Kohing pa yung libero designated best receiver and best digger, yung nakaka-error at
That's
this
true.
point.
There's a better receive. Maranyo. Di makulangan, sets it up. 4 touches on UST. But they've done the damage. They've made that run. They are within 4. And LaSalle needs 5 to finish off the set. Di makulangan, underhand set for Banatikla. Look out! UST. No blockers para sa Use. Nahuli sila lahat and Maranyo made them pay for it.
And actually, ito yung nakikita natin naging problem ng UST ngayon. Really, in terms of blocking, hindi nila napipigilan itong Lasal.
Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan. And again, that reception of UST unable to give them a good chance offensively. And Mercado with a single block of Espiritu, not enough.
Ideally, this should have been a double block, but in that case, si Maizo, nakuha ni Maranyo, no? She was able to deceive Maizo and thinking that she was going to get the set.
A quick 3-point run for LaSalle. Again, nothing going right for UST. It's been a story of runs here in set number 2.
Looking at it, it seems like the more effective rotation for them was the one that they used in the first set.
Ano? Banatikla finally getting one.
Substitution, Sarah Jane Gonzalez for Lea Espiritu.
LaSalle already with a 6-point lead at the latter part of set number 2.
Sarah Jane Gonzalez.
UST has to really be careful in not committing any more mistakes.
Gonzalez inserted for the first time as setter in place of Dimakulangan. Banatikla scores again off the block of LaSalle.
Banatikla at this point has to really exhaust all her options in the front line to make sure that she scores.
Ace Gonzalez. UST, it's their turn to make another run.
All they need is to keep it close. 4 more points to tie it with LaSalle.
Rarely does Coach Ramil De Jesus get off his seat, but he is pacing the sideline now.
Another excellent serve.
Combination. Mercado going wide, and UST with another point to the cheers of the crowd inside the arena.
And it's important na may karga yung serve because that way, you actually force your opponent na medyo nababago ng konti yung play nila, especially if hindi na-receive ng maayos yung bola. Just like that.
Gumabaw. Banatikla.
Oh!
What a shot! The crowd erupts again.
Banatikla doing an excellent job. 3 consecutive points for Maru Banatikla. Only on her 2nd year in UST. Gonzalez also doing an excellent job at the service department.
Free ball, UST. Maranyo. Pancake save Gonzalez. Here comes Banatikla. Banatikla is on fire for UST.
This is just what they need. It can't be all Aiza Maizo every time. Look at Banatikla go for that attack.
Gonzalez. That serve has put UST within 1. Di makulangan. Maizo over the block. Catches the line. We are tied at 23. What a run by UST.
You know, ito, we can't say that these are all coming from the errors of LaSalle. It's really UST forcing LaSalle to commit these errors. From their attacks, and Maru Banatica instrumental in tying the score with LaSalle.
Mercado. UST going for the lead here. Banaticla firing. Great save by Maizo. Free ball for LaSalle. Gumabaw. Set point. LaSalle 24-23.
Esperanza made a good decision in giving that to Gumabaw.
Serve of Gumabaw very crucial here.
UST just needs one good reception and they send it out. Look at Coach Ramil just calming down his players.
The pro-UST crowd inside the arena booing nung nagsiserve si Gumabaw, just forcing her, rattling her, forcing her to commit the mistake. 24-all, ladies and gentlemen, in set number 2.
But you know, even if you're a fan of LaSalle, you got to respect UST. That was, that was very impressive how they really managed to tie it.
And again, UST just can't correct that error of not having somebody defensive or that kind of defense to plug that hole in the middle.
Former Rookie of the Year inside to replace Kat Gumabaw, and you can hear again.
The booze, no? Joanne C. is inserted onto the floor. Another serve.
You see here, nandito na yung nervyos, no? And it's now coming into play.
UST again and catching breaks, no? The 2 points that got them tied with LaSalle were off service errors.
That's right, and but you know, give credit to Maru Banaticla. Ang haba ng hinabol ng UST, but look at that.
Judy Cavallejo hits the shot, catches the back end of LaSalle, and now UST is at set point and in set number 2, 26-25.
And this is why, you know, Coach Ramil was saying earlier, hindi natatapos ang game sa 19, you cannot relax at any point in the game.
And there it is! UST jubilant for the first time this season. The Tigresses have won a set against LaSalle. The crowd inside the arena cheering for LaSalle wildly. It's as if they have won the tournament, when in fact it's just one set apiece in this match between LaSalle and UST.